Where's my phone? Where's my shoe? No, for real. No, for real. The ugly bitches now. Say less. What's the ugly nigga that just jumped?
Yikes, dude.
What's the ugly bitch? I'm right here. I'm right here. Dude, that's crazy. That dude was talking so much. That dude will say so much. You got a pistol? You're gonna fucking shoot me? Yeah, you're a bitch ass nigga. That's exactly what you are. Bitch ass nigga. Fucking ugly fuck.
I want to hit you in the face.
Yeah, that's crazy. Stop. Stop, man. Shoot him. That's crazy.
Yikes, dude.
Where's your pistol? No, that's what.
Brady Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, ladies and gentlemen. He needs a cup of coffee or
You're
something.
so ugly as hell. Yeah, that's crazy. No shoe. You're so ugly as hell. No shoe on. That's cool. I'm gonna grab a.
Aquí es el Noma, Julio. Julio, aquí es el Noma. Julio.
The city gang is out tonight too. Oh, which way is even safe to go home? Jesus Christ. And these bars have their little COVID booths set up, their little COVID separation booths that I documented a while ago. They're not keeping the neighborhood safe from miscreants and drunks. I got fucking chased by a bum earlier tonight. But no, they got their little rainbow fucking COVID booths. Ain't that something? Oh, back to these folks. Can I even get through? Just the way back. I suppose I can take a detour, but look at this shit, dude. Don't you just love diversity? Bro.
Up to you.
I'm gonna grab a fucking. I'm gonna grab a fucking.